Probably you've been aware of this, and maybe some of you guys are doing it as well. You have a product, you have a service, and you use any platform to promote that product or service. Let's say I'm into speaking, right? I'm a 7-figure speaker. I teach people how to end up on international stages, and I go to the property event. Hey, you want to be a speaker? No, I'm into property, right? No, but I can teach you to become a 7-figure speaker, right? No, but I'm into property, I'm into development. No, but that's not matter. I can still, that's not the point. That's not my platform. My ideal client, that's not where they are. So I need to find where they are. And look, let me tell you something, guys. Maybe you're not aware. There's a reason why you all are here today. Every single one of you, I wanted you to hear this message. And there's a reason why you showed up. I had about 400 people registered, by the way, just to let you know. And about 66 of you right now showed up. I had about 70 some left. It's okay. Some people don't like bald guys with a goatee, and that's fine with me, right? But there's a reason why you are here, because my message was clear. I'm looking for coaches, business owners, aspiring speakers, people who want to increase their impact, influence, and income. So you guys might be my ideal client. That down the line, we might go into some business together, right? So where is your ideal client? On what kind of platform they are? Are they on the LinkedIn? Are they on the Facebook, right? So we're looking to find where they are, and we're using that platform to promote to them very strategically, right? Identify your ideal client. Are they a female? Are they a male? What age group? 25 to 45? Is it older or younger, right? So when we need to know exactly who is your ideal client, what do they do? What do they want? What is the problem that they might have? How do I solve that problem? Becomes easier. So number 2 is, what problem are you solving? Right? So when your message is clear, if your message is too vague, people just move on. It's like, I can make your life better. I can sleep for 5 hours, already feel better. Some of you might say, I can drink a beer and I feel better already. Like after 3 beers, I feel perfect. But look, it's all about having a very clear message. If within 3 months, I can help you take your business, if you can be on the front cover of the magazine, if you get interviewed and 200,000 people can see you, your business is this of a value. It is, right? But if the message is very vague, if let's say you're a life coach, you're an outdoor, whatever you're offering, if the results are not clear, people just simply move on. So give me a clear outcome. There's a problem, like you want to be a speaker, you want to be well-known, you want to speak international, that's a challenge, you don't know how, right? You want to build a business to 6 and 7 figures, I don't know how, so that's a challenge, right? So how do I solve that problem, right? What is the pattern I have to take, right? What are the goals, number 3? What are your goals, right? You as a speaker, you want to be well-known, you want to sell more books, you want to have more clients, right? So that's what people in the different industries, in the different niche are focusing on, right? They want to have a better life. Like with life coaches, I'm also a life coach, by the way, certified. It's all about like, how can I really help you? Can I help you with a depression? In 3 months from now, you're going to be 50% happier. And the effects of depression, you might feel way less because it's been proven. Look at my customers, look at my clients before, testimonials. So we kind of what are the goals of people that you promote in this? Is it, I just want to buy, like this is where a lot of people go wrong. They just pitch their product. Buy this. I have new truck pants, whatever. You go on the Facebook marketplace, buy this. And people normally look at the price. How do we compete with the same products, right? But if this product or service can help you have a better life, like 2 phones, iPhone and Android, whatever, Huawei, whatever that is, no particular reason. We're not advertising, right? It's like this one has better camera. This one is more expensive. Why should I go for this one? Is a lifestyle. This one better camera. If I buy Huawei, people's gonna laugh at me. iPhone is the thing, right? So it's all about what are the goals of people that you're selling to, right? What do they really want? And number 4, extremely important. What is the pain, right? How important is for you to be on that international stage? How important is to you to become financially free? How important is for you to become well-known author? To be the best of the best, to be like everybody else. How important, right? Do you want to be average like everybody else? Or is it very important to you to stand out? So that's the thing. What is the pain? Like, for instance, yes, I build businesses to 6 and 7 figures, but my pain is I don't want to lose any of that. I don't want to ever see my kids struggling and suffering. Like Like I want him to go to the best schools because I work so hard for it. That's my pain. I don't want to lose it. So insurance companies, they know that. Like I'm the best client, right? How about Milan? We increase the premiums. Like, maybe not a bad idea. So it's all about what is the pain of the person that you present in your product or service, right? Can they live without it? Or it's very important for them to make it happen, right? So identify your ideal client will be much, much easier to find them where they are. There's a lot of different platforms. LinkedIn is a powerful platform. They're more professional people, but funny enough, there's a lot of analytical people out there. So you need to build deeper relationship before, in a way, going to business with them because people buy from people.